Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dwi Apriandari. I'm from Government Science major. In this section, I want to tell you about Vietnam's culture shock. Each country in the world has its own culture and rules that you should follow. So does Vietnam. Here are some Vietnam's culture shock that you may deal with when first come to this lovely country. Vietnam's language. Vietnam's is not the kind of language you can study for a few hours on the plane then use in your day-to-day situation. Like Chinese, Vietnam's is a tonal language. English and Spanish, Italian, German, French, Arabic, etc. are phonetic language. In Vietnam's, changing the tone of a word gives it a different meaning. Obviously, the listener can determine which word you are trying to say through context as well, but it's a real challenge. Habits and behavior. You will notice that in Vietnam, there's no shame to spit in public or wear pajamas in the street. Indeed, it's possible to see some people hawk, spit, burp, or picking their nose in the middle of the street or in public space. Even in Vietnam, this is a rude manner, but it happens more often than you might used to see or hear. Speaking loudly. Another point foreigners notice when visiting in Vietnam is that Vietnam's people speak loudly and sounds aggressive to foreigners. Is it because of Vietnam's tones? Maybe. But no, speaking loudly or even shouting doesn't mean they are aggressive towards to you. This is just their way of talking. Wearing pajamas on the street. Don't be surprised to see the elderly and women with their children still wearing pajamas in the early morning and in the evening. In a Vietnamese culture, that's a normal thing. They just want to be comfortable and be ready to go to bed after all. Vietnam food. Vietnam noodle soup, broken rice, seasoned pancake, Vietnam sandwich, and Vietnam porridge. It is also everywhere from the moment you step foot in Vietnam to the second you leave, from breakfast tables to the curbside. Food is easily Vietnam's most common street food. One day through tonight, locals hunker down on tiny plastic chairs to serve food at tiny plastic tables. Slightly bizarre but truly unique. Food generally comes as beef or chicken, served in coinciding broth over flat rice, noodles, and flavoring of herbs. Food makes the best of endless number of soup in Vietnam. Broken rice. Broken rice is a street stand favorite recipe for fiery, but you'll often find it served with barbecue pork or beef and a fried egg. This delicious short-style sizzling crepe is mainly made from rice flour, coconut milk, beer, turmeric, and chopped green onion, stuffed with cooked pork, shrimp, and beet sprouts. Traditionally, we do not use in the batter. These crepes are usually served with Vietnam's dipping sauce or soy sauce, and we usually wrap the crepes in lettuce. Vietnam sandwich has its origin from French during the colonial period in Vietnam. Vietnam's baker has innovated more variable of crepe to create a unique type of bread in Vietnam, which are uncooked vegetables, shrimp, tomato, or chili sauce. Recently, Vietnam has adopted doner kebab bread from Turkey, which is highly appreciated by these civilians. Rice porridge is a comfort food in Vietnam as well as other Asian countries. In Vietnam, the silky and creamy rice porridge is prepared by cooking rice in a large amount of water until the rice soaks up in the liquid and softens significantly. Vietnamese people can eat it for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or as a midday snack. In a Vietnamese culture, the family is really important, and in general, you will find extended families. It means that children, parents, and grandparents live under the same roof to help and take care of each other. Within the family, there's a hierarchy system where elderly people should be treated with great respect. Unique things about Vietnam. Snow in a tropical country. White skin is a beauty standard in Vietnam. Rice is the staple food, and motorbikes cover the roads. Alright, I think that's all my story. Next class time, I will continue with another story. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.